Day 1 of being a chef on a yacht. We are still in port today, so I'm just cooking for the crew, but we're expected to leave tomorrow morning. Here's my gorgeous view from the galley. I'm cooking for the same family, just a brand new yacht. And we get cute little uniforms this summer. I also brought 3 friends on board, my basil plants, so hopefully I can keep them alive for the whole 2 months. For lunch, I just made slow roasted beef, and just gonna put it on some bread with some provolone and mayonnaise. I'm telling you right now, this Instapot is gonna be my new best friend this summer. For the crew this year, we have myself as the chef, a first mate, captain, and a stewardess. Oh, and guess what? I don't have to wash dishes by hand anymore. I have a dishwasher. I got all of the food on board today and we ran out of room. So bought 2 more freezers. The owner's dog is gonna be on board. He actually had to get a passport for this trip. And for dinner, I had to berth a chicken. Just keeping it simple tonight. I'm just gonna roast off the chicken with some thyme and rosemary, and then also made some roasted potatoes and carrots. And then also some asparagus with balsamic vinegar and feta. And another cool thing about this yacht is it has an oven, which I did not have last year. I just had a small toaster oven. So I am in heaven. I'll show you guys in another video, but we have something called the hole, where all 6 freezers are kept. It's like 15 feet deep and kind of scary, so I have to tell somebody when I'm going down there, so if I die, I don't get left behind. So what we've been doing is whenever I need to go down to the hole to get like frozen chicken or whatever, I tell the crew and they set an alarm on their phone for 5 minutes, and if I'm not back up from the hole, they have to come and check on me. I had a little snacky snack. I set the table for dinner and we had our cute little family meal. After dinner, I cleaned up my galley. She's beauty and she's grace. She's Abby's little galley. Bye, little chef.